Okay, welcome to another video. Math is easy, step by step. Fractions. This is an introduction to fractions. A fraction is a ratio. And here's an example of a ratio. It will rain 5 out of 10 days. So the ratio here is 5 out of 10. Right? This first term of 5 would be the top part of your fraction, 5 days of rain, and the bottom of your fraction would be 10. That's the total possible days that it would rain. So here we have our fraction, 5 over 10. Now the top part of your fraction is called the numerator. The bottom part of your fraction is called the denominator. So some of the prerequisite knowledge that you need in order to solve different type of fraction problems are as followed. And I plan to create a video to go over some of these prerequisite knowledge and skills. First, you must always reduce or simplify your fraction solution or answer. Numerator is the top versus the denominator. That's the bottom part of your fraction. An improper fraction versus a mixed number fraction. So I will also go over how to convert an improper fraction into a proper fraction, and which would be a mixed number, and then a mixed number into an improper fraction. Many times, almost always, just to simplify things, I will take a mixed number, create it to an improper fraction, just so I can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. It makes things easier and less confusing. And of course, every fraction is a division problem. Every fraction is a division problem. The top number, the numerator, divided by the bottom number, the denominator. Here are a few videos that I plan to create to help you with prerequisite knowledge as well as required knowledge that you need to know in order to solve these fraction problems. So some of the videos I will create is how to simplify or reduce, how to convert both improper into a mixed number, and then convert a mixed number back into an improper fraction. Every fraction is a division problem. I will be going over that. I'll create a brief video for that. Converting fractions into decimals, and those decimals into percents. And of course, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions. I hope I can make this easy for you. Keep a lookout for these videos. I will post them to my Facebook account, and I hope these videos are helpful for you. Remember, tutoring is available on Math is Easy, step by step, my website. Thank you very much.